Welcome to the Whidbey Island Breaks. Got Pokey H, Pokey K, Pokey J. And we are looking at some Destined Rivals today. What are we looking for in this? What's your chase? Pokey K.
Giovanni's Mewtwo.
You want the Mewtwo?
Yes.
I want Giovanni's Charisma. What about you, little Pokey H?
Blastoise.
You heard it here first. Blastoise out of Destined Rivals, everyone. All right, here we go. Let's start off with the Garchomp. All right. Get the code card out of here. Billbug, Seaturtle, Marchamp, Team Machine, Waddle, Morgan, Coffee. Ooh, this is a nasty card. If y'all got this, this is great for your deck. And then a Gobliss. All right, miss on the first one. On to the second. Come on, let's go. Mewtwo.
I want Mew.
Alright, code card. Yep. Rattata, Billbug again, Larvitar, Absno, Weezing, Marcus Pearl. Uh-oh. See something back there. Let's see. Oh, another bust. All right, last pack, magic. Right here, come on, last pack. Full no luck. Right there.
Please.
Come on.
Giovanni's Mewtwo.
We'll see. Champ, Melodic,
I see something.
so much. And we got destroyed today. Destroyed at Whidbey Island Breaks. Thanks for joining in, guys. Like and subscribe.